Hi, this is needlepointers.com. Do you need a quick, easy idea for gift wrapping a bottle of wine? Stop by the dollar store and purchase knee-high socks and make a sock wine bottle cover. To make it, take a sock and pull it over the wine bottle. And turn down the top. With the other sock, as you can see, I've made a bow. All I did was I folded it and I tied a ribbon around it. Now tie the bow to the neck of the bottle. And the quick wine bottle cover made from a sock is complete. If you have a little time, know how to sew, and have some Christmas fabric, another idea would be to make a fabric wine bottle cover like this one. If you would like to see a tutorial on how to make this wine bottle cover, click the iCard or the link in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and share with friends. You can keep up with us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and following us on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. To follow us, just click our website iCard or the link in the description below. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of crafting tutorials.